Well, here's a piece of crap that's coming into our neighborhood at 60 miles an hour. So this makes him a possible freaking child killer here on Staley Road. There's the time. That's a Dodge Ram pickup truck. Let's see if we can find the tag number, because he just came in here doing 60 miles an hour. See? Z56 4RB. It's either Z56 there you are, Z58 or Z56 AP 4. No, that's AP8. Yeah, that's what it is. That's Z56 AP8 coming into our neighborhood doing 60 miles an hour. So that makes that vehicle a possible child killer here on Staley Road. Let's back it up just a little bit. And there you go. Boom! There's 500 feet already in less than a minute. So that makes him doing 60 miles an hour. Easy. Why? Because there's no freaking Lee County Sheriff's deputy here to give him a big fat ticket. And as you can see, there's buses coming in here letting off children. So that means he is a possible child killer. That's exactly what that tag number is. A freaking possible child killer. Because if a child walks out in front of him, he couldn't stop if he wanted to. And he wouldn't. Because he blamed the parents for running over them, for letting them be on the side of the road. Really? Oh, by the way, this is Staley Road right here. At the end of Staley Road is Luckett Road in East Fort Myers, Florida.